Everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to create a budget in Quicken Simplify. First step is to log in to Quicken Simplify. Open Quicken Simplify on your web browser or mobile app and then sign in to your account. Step 2. Go to the budget section. Click on Planning on the left menu and select Spending Plan. Step 3. Set your income. Under planned income, enter your expected earnings for the budget period, like monthly, bi-weekly, etc. If your income varies, enter an estimated amount based on past months. Step 4. Add expenses and bills. Under planned spending, add regular expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and subscriptions. Click plus or add to enter specific categories and set spending limits. Step 5. Track your saving goals. Though this option is optional. If you have a saving goals, go to saving goals in the budget section. Enter the amount you want to set aside each month. Step 6. Monitor your budget. As you spend, Simplify will automatically categorize transactions and updates your spending plan. You can adjust amounts if needed. Lastly, review and adjust. Check your progress regularly in the spending plan tab. Modify budgets as needed for upcoming months. And that's basically it.